Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my new video. Today's video is going to be a vlog where I'm cleaning, organizing my room, and I'm also going to expose myself that I'm really not a clean person. I am somebody who would trash a room completely and then go ahead and clean it top to bottom, like make it spotless. This is something that I'm really trying to change about myself. Pranav is the right opposite of what I am. So he likes to clean every day. So it's been almost 6 months since we have moved into this apartment. And the second room that we have is still sort of not completely in order. Like we don't know what we are going to do with it, and my main goal for this video is to get this room sorted out in a way that we can actually use it. So our bedroom is sorted. So the second room, which is this one, is actually our office. We both have our tables. It's my closet. It's my getting ready room, like dressing room. I have all of my makeup, skincare, everything that I need. It's also my filming room. So this is essentially my room, except it's Pranav's office too, and he has not been able to use the office because the room has been so messy all the time that he just cannot get himself to sit there. But I made him a promise that I'm going to sort this out today itself. So that is going to be our main goal, and we have a lot to work with. That's why I have my coffee and I have a lot of motivation to actually get this done and finish it up. Even though if it takes me, it's probably gonna take me the whole day, and I'm so ready for it because I really want to get like a very nice, clean, organized space so that we can actually utilize this room to its full potential. When my sister was here, we actually did a great job of sorting through my clothes and donating a whole bunch of clothes. So that is the good thing. I don't really have to do any sort of purging or any sort of donations. This is currently what we are dealing with. I have all of my skincare, getting ready things from last 3 weeks probably on the table, which has not been cleaned. Is a project that Pranav is working on. He's actually trying to grow avocado from seeds, and as you can see, he has this whole experiment going on which I'm not supposed to touch. And this is my basil plant. Then on the side, I have so very messy right now. I'm supposed to clean this and see what all things I want to keep. And then I have this closet, super, super cool, as you can see, which I haven't used. I haven't even hung anything here. It was actually a gift for my birthday from my friends, and I badly need to organize my jewelry in here. I don't even have that much jewelry that I don't know if I've shown before, but this dresser also needs a lot of work. I have a lot of random things in these drawers which needs all the sorting. This one probably has some things stuck to it, which is why it's not even opening. And then this one, I have all of my clothes, pajamas and workwear that I need to organize nicely. And then this one has all of my skincare and extra makeup and everything. I'm going to move everything from here and I'll show you where I'm planning to keep it. And this is again random things that I have that do not fit anywhere. I have these different nails, I have some cords, I have my swimming costume here. I don't know what it's doing here. All these things, these random things that I actually emptied from the top dresser last night, and I was trying to figure it out what I'm going to do with it. And then this is what I was talking about. This is like, I got this new and I made it with Pranav yesterday. These are like 5 drawers, and I'm planning to keep like my makeup and my skincare, and I can also even store like my electronics and everything here. So this is something that I want to utilize and keep it on this side. And I also have this makeup organizer that I also got for my birthday this year, and I think this is so nice. I can have everything on display, like all my skincare, my everyday makeup. I actually use it a lot. And then I have my monitor, my getting ready mirror, and everything is here. And then this is what I use to keep my Indian wear, and I use it to store like my saris, suits, and all the Indian wear and extra dresses, and even like vacation outfits in here, so it keeps them all organized. And then this is again very random clothes after laundry and whatever has been all lying down. And this is my mirror that I actually want to start using now. And then this is Pranav's desk, his screen, and his desk, which is obviously not in the condition to be used right now. Okay, so this was all of the things that I wanted to show that I'm planning to do with my room. Obviously, it'll be more clear once I actually get into doing things rather than just explaining what I'm planning to do. So after sorting through all of my stuff, like the boring drawer stuff, I went ahead and organized all of my jewelry. I have all my earrings, like bigger earrings, and all of my rings displayed in this cabinet. And I think it's so easy and convenient to just grab whatever I want to pack or whatever I want to accessorize, and then I can just keep it back. And also I like that everything is so visual. Yeah, I also kept all of my clutches, rubber bands, and everything there. And the next drawer is my extra skincare, makeup. This was very disorganized because I was using everything throughout the year, and I wanted these drawers empty so that I could keep my sweaters in there. So I just grabbed everything out and I'm organizing it in these plastic containers. I think I ordered them from Amazon. So I have all of my face stuff, like concealers and color correctors in one drawer organizer, and the other one I have all of my lipsticks, all of my eye pencils, eye stuff, and then my highlighters. And the last one is all the blushes that I own quite a lot of blushes right now. And I also have one setting spray and 2 primers, which I think is pretty good. And then this drawer has all of my skincare, my backup skincare that I want to finish. And the third drawer has all of my nails. I am sort of on a press-on nail kick right now. I love buying and applying nails whenever I'm going out. It's just the convenience of doing this at home and having nicer nails. So yeah, I have quite a few collection right now. And then I also kept some of my eyeshadow palettes there because this is stuff that I don't really use on an everyday basis. And yeah, so I kept everything there. And then this one is like sort of like my stationery drawer. I kept a lot of random things here, like my bookmarks, my luggage tags that I got to track my luggage, and then my Kindle, hand sanitizers, tripod, speaker. And this is actually a hot plate that I use in the winters whenever I want to keep my cup of coffee hot. And then this one is actually from Sephora. The box came with Sephora perfume collection, and I'm using it to keep all of my travel skincare samples and different sort of skincare, toothpaste, and everything. So whenever I'm traveling, I could just grab stuff. And in one of the boxes I kept sharpeners and bobby pins, just random small stuff. And then I'm showing you guys some of my everyday makeup stuff, how I'm organizing it, but the audio got corrupted, so it's going to be a voiceover. These are some of my favorite complexion products. I love this Milani stick foundation. It's one of my favorites right now. And I have these 2 serums that I'm using right now, which I actually really like. And I'm keeping all of my makeup brushes in the box so that they stay clean. And these are my current favorite lip and cheek product that I use every day. I hope you guys like my organization video. I will see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye.